Yeah. So in last session, we had started with the concept called as the Indian Partnership Act. (1932). So initially, it is a forming part of Indian Contract Act. Section 239 to 266 of Indian Contract Act, 11th chapter of Indian Contract Act. Yes, sir, section 239 to 266. This is the 11th chapter of Indian Contract Act. Yes, sir. So initially, it is a forming part of Indian Contract Act. In the year of 1932, that is separated and framed the separate act. The name of the act is called as the Indian Partnership Act. After that, we are done with the section 1. Section 1 is the common section for all the acts. Sir. Whatever may be the act, nearly in India 1200 acts are there. In this 1200 acts, section 1 is the common. Common means what is the name of the act, where it is applicable, when it is came into force. These are the three concepts we are discussed under section 1. Like that, section 1 of the Partnership Act, what is the name of the act? The Indian Partnership Act 1932. Where it is applicable? It is applicable to whole of India. When it is came into force? When it is came into force, sir? Sir, it is came into force on 1/10/1932 onwards. So this act consists of 74 sections and 8 chapters. In these 74 sections, all 74 sections are came into force on 1/10/1932 onwards, except the section 69. What is section 69? Disadvantages for non-registration of partnership. We will discuss later. This is the concept we are discussed under that particular section 1. इसके बाद we are go through with, we have started the definition of partnership. Just we know the definition. Now we will discuss about each and every line. What is partnership? So partnership definition of partnership is discussed under section 4. What is the definition of partnership? The first line, sir. Partnership is a relation. Partnership is a relation. So yes, partnership is a relation. So relation का मतलब क्या है? There is a blood relation or marriage relation or friendship relation. What is a relation? So relation का meaning क्या है? What is a relation? Tell me, sir. So that is a blood relation, lesser marriage relation, lesser relatives relation. So what is meant by relation here? How the relation arises? So between two people, how the relation is arises? Sir, here partnership is a relation. Yes, obviously partnership is a relation. This relation arises by way of an agreement. By way of an agreement. So partnership is a relation, yes. So partnership is a relation. This relation arises by way of agreement. So it is not a marriage relation. It is not a by birth blood relation. So this relation is not arises by birth. This relation is not arises through marriage. This relation arises by way of an agreement. So what is meant by agreement, sir? Generally, this agreement either oral or written, either express agreement or implied agreement. Either express agreement or implied agreement. Sir, express agreement का meaning क्या है, sir? Sir, express means either oral or written. Oral or written. Okay, so express means either oral or written, sir. Oral or written, sir. Suppose you and me orally enter into a partnership. Written, one document, you should mention the document. Then you are enter into a partnership. Like that, partnership is a relation That relation arises by way of an agreement. The agreement either may be an express form or implied form. Implied means by act of parties. By act of parties. Okay, sir. The relation arises in whatever may be the mode. How the relation arises? Not by birth, not by status. The relation arises by agreement. What type of agreement, sir? The agreement either may be express agreement or implied agreement. What is express, sir? Either oral or written. Whatever it may be. 1 minute. Okay, so whatever it may be. Sir, here out of this all type of agreements, the written partnership agreement is useful for further evidences. Or in future, you and me are entering into a partnership. In future, partnership is nothing but we are doing business together. Or a business in the sense, some disputes are common. Whenever the dispute is arises, what is the evidence for future? Orally we are entering into a contract. How you can prove in the court of law? That is the reason why out of this all agreement modes, the written partnership agreement, the written agreement is very useful. It is useful for further evidences. The written partnership agreement is called as partnership deed. Partnership deed. So the written partnership agreement is called as what? Partnership deed. Okay, sir. Written partnership agreement. It is called as what, sir? Partnership deed. Clear, sir? Partnership is a relation. The relation arises by way of an agreement. The agreement either may be an express agreement or implied agreement. Express means in the form of oral or written. The written partnership agreement is called as partnership deed. So this is a constitution of partnership. Constitution of partnership. A partnership, what is partnership? What the entire matters related to the partnership, you should mention in the partnership deed only. This is the constitution. For a country, constitution, how important to a country and people, like that for a partnership, partnership deed is very important. It's a constitution of partnership. It is a fundamental document of partnership. Fundamental document. Okay, so it is a constitution of partnership. It is a fundamental document of a partnership. Yes, sir, it is a constitution and it is a fundamental, very important. So what are the contents in the partnership? So in this partnership deed, it's agreement, what you are mentioning, what are the contents? Contents in partnership. Partnership deed. What are the contents in partnership deed? So what are the contents we should mention in partnership deed? What are the matters, sir? What is the name of the partnership? Name of the partnership? Name of partnership? And name and address of the partners? Names and address. Of the partners. And nature of business and place of business. Nature of business and place of business. Capital contribution. Capital contribution. And profit sharing ratio. Capital contribution, profit sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on capital, comma interest on loans and advances. Remuneration paid to the partners. Remuneration paid to partners. Provisions related to rules. Provisions related to admission, retirement, comma death, comma insolvency and expulsion, and manner of dissolution and method of accounting. So these are all our matters, sir. What you are mentioning the partnership deed, it's a constitution. What you are mentioning, what is the partnership firm name? Who are be the partners? What are those addresses? What is their capital control? How much amount they are contributed? What is their profit sharing ratio? Where it is located? What is the business the partnership firm doing? And also, sir, remuneration. If you are paying any remuneration to your partners, interest on capital and loans and advances, and provisions, rules related to the admission. What are the rules you have to follow? Retirement. What are the rules? Expulsion. Expulsion means తీసివేయడం, sir. You can expel a partner. You can remove a partner. That is expulsion. And retirement, death, insolvency. So what are the provisions you have to follow it? And also some manner of dissolution, how to dissolve, and method of accounting. And last one is settlement of accounts. Settlement of accounts. Okay, so these are the matters, sir. These are all the matters we should mention under this particular partnership deed. Okay, so everything, sir, these are the contents in the partnership deed, sir. You should mention in the partnership deed. Sir, if you are not mention any matter in the partnership deed, then you can follow the partnership act. For a partnership, first priority is given to the partnership deed. Nothing is mentioned in the partnership deed, then you can follow the partnership act. Clear, sir? The partnership is a relation. Partnership is a relation. The relation is not arises by birth. The relation is not arises by status. The relation is arises by way of an agreement. The agreement either may be express agreement or implied agreement. Express means either in the form of oral or written. Out of all ways of agreements, the written partnership agreement is very important. That is useful for further evidences. The written partnership agreement is called as what? Partnership deed. It's a constitution of partnership. It is a fundamental document of a partnership. What are the contents in the partnership deed? What you are mentioned? What is the name of the partnership firm? Nature of business, place of business, name means the amount of contribution of capital, interest on capital, interest on loans, interest on advances, profit sharing ratio, method of accounting, settlement of accounts, provisions related to admission, retirement, expulsion, insolvency, and death. Okay, so these are all manner of dissolution. Like that, these all matters it should be mentioned in the partnership deed. Future, if there is any situation arises, you should refer partnership deed. What they are mentioned in the partnership deed, you should follow as it is. So nothing is not mentioned in the partnership deed, then you can follow the partnership act. Okay, so for every partnership deed is the primary, then nothing is mentioned partnership deed, then you can follow partnership act. This is the explanation of partnership is a relation. Yeah, address, name, address, and qualification of partners, whatever it may be, qualification. Okay, sir. This is the explanation of partnership is a relation. The first line in the definition. Note down, sir. Note down first line. Note down, sir. Jaldi likho first line. Already definition we had discussed in the last session, no? Total definition we had discussed. Now we go through with that each and every line explanation in the definition. This is the first line explanation. Note down, sir. Jaldi likho. Completed. Rub checha. Can I rub? Yes. Rub checha, Andy. Everyone. Just either you can put the screenshot, no? That is useful for you also. So every class you should write the notes, at the same time you should take the screenshot. At the end, these screenshots can be made a PDF. Then that is useful to you, no? Can I? जल्दी लिखो सर. हाँ, साई जल्दी लिखो. Completed. Ananya, completed. Guru Sai, completed. Shiva, Akash, Vinay, Kaushik. अब चाहिए जल्दी लिखो जी. ऐसा स्लो है तो नहीं चलता. फर्स्ट लाइन అర్థమైంది అందరికి? Everyone is clear about the first line? Yeah. So listen, in section 4 definition mein, first one is partnership is a relation. Partnership is a relation. Okay, so it is complete relation between two or more persons. Between two or more persons. So yes, partnership is a relation. What is that? We are already discussed. Partnership is a relation between two or more persons. So two or more in the sense minimum how many member of members is sir? Minimum number of members. Minimum number of members. How many members is there? 2 members. Obviously, no. So maximum more in the sense more means unlimited. So more, sir, beside my house, not that more. More means in the number, sir. So 2 or more means infinite number of members. No, sir. More means maximum number of members. Maximum number of members. So maximum number of members in a partnership. So generally, the maximum number of members in a partnership, it is not discussed, not defined under Partnership Act. the maximum number of members का discussion partnership act में discuss नहीं हुआ, but where this concept was defined, so the maximum number of members discussed in Companies Act 2013. So partnership act में maximum number of members का discussion नहीं है sir, but this maximum number of members were derived from the Companies Act. Sir, maximum number of members as per Companies Act, as per Companies Act 2013. 13 maximum number of members, maximum number of members, number of members is nothing but 50. Okay sir, sir Companies Act sir, why? Because Partnership Act में maximum number of member का discussion नहीं है. This discussion we are derived from the Companies Act. According to the Companies Act 2013, the maximum number of members in a partnership is 50 members. No partnership cannot carry the business more than 50 members. Okay, so what is that? Based on this, sir, no partnership cannot carry the business, with more than 50 members. Okay, so no partnership cannot carry the business with more than 50 members. Sir, if any partnership carry the business with more than 50 members, then such partnership it becomes illegal association. Okay, sir, if any partnership carry the business with more than 50, then such partnership becomes illegal association. Such partnership becomes what, sir? Illegal association. Wait, 1 minute. Okay, sir. Clear? Generally, sir, minimum number of members in a partnership is 2. Maximum number of members in a partnership is not defined under Indian Partnership Act. According to the Companies Act 2013, maximum number of members is 50. No partnership cannot carry the business with more than 50. If any partnership carry the business with more than 50, such a partnership becomes illegal association as per section 464 of Companies Act 2013. As per 464 of the section 464 of the Companies Act 2013, that will define the maximum number of members. Whatever MNC is not a means partnership, no. In Companies Act, the concept related to the partnership business they are deriving. Okay, na, not MNC. According to Companies Act, the minimum number of members, 2 members, maximum number of members per partnership, not company, per partnership. General 2013 Act says that 100, later on 2014 amendment rules, the reduces 100 to 15, now 50 is the maximum number. If any partnership carry the business more than 50, then such partnership becomes illegal association as per section 464 of the Companies Act 2013. This is nothing but 2 or more ka explanation. 2 or more. Okay, sir. There is nothing but two or more explanation. Next, sir, two or more person. Sir, person का मतलब क्या है? What is person? So, who is person? Everyone is a person. Which persons or two persons are there? Person का मतलब क्या है? So, two or more, 50 members are maximum. Here in that 50, who are be treated as a person? So, generally, according to the Partnership Act, person includes person includes, person excludes. So these persons are not form a partnership. What are those persons, sir? One is Hindu Undivided Family, HUF. Joint families, sir. Hindu Undivided Family businesses. So many Hindu Undivided families are sole proprietor HUFs are there. Then such Hindu Undivided families cannot be a partner, means cannot be treated as a persons. One Hindu Undivided family with another Hindu Undivided family, they cannot do the partnership business. And also, sir, partnership firm. Partnership firm. So what is meant by partnership firm? Sir, my partnership, that is nothing but ABC partnership. Your partnership is XYZ partnership. Me and you together, they can form a new partnership. It is not possible. One partnership firm cannot form with a partnership with another partnership firm. Okay, sir. My partnership firm is there, sir. ABC partnership firm. Your partnership firm is there. XYZ partnership firm. You and me together, we can form a new partnership. Is possible? It is not possible. Why? Because partnership firm is not a person. Partnership firm cannot form a partnership again. Suppose in partnership firms, sir, ABC partnership, I am a partner, no, and XYZ partnership, you are a partner, no. Me and you together form a partnership possible. Why? Because we are individuals. Individuals can form a partnership, but partnership firm cannot form a partnership. You are an individual, I am an individual, you and me together, we can form a partnership. Sir, Prabhas is an individual, Rajamouli is an individual, Prabhas and Rajamouli together, they can form a partnership. Bahubali partnership, possible or not possible? Is possible. Two individuals together, they can form a partnership. Yes, sir, that is possible. The Prabhas partnership form is there, ABC partnership form. Okay, so Rajamouli partnership firm is there, XYZ partnership firm. Now ABC partnership firm, XYZ partnership firm, together they can form a PQR partnership firm. It is not possible. Why? Because partnership firm is not a person. That is the reason why partnership firm cannot form a partnership. Then Hindu Undivided family, joint families cannot form a partnership. So who are persons includes. Person includes an individual and company. Individual, we are all individuals. We can form a partnership or not? Yes. Companies, sir. Reliance company, TCS company, like that. Companies are also can form a partnership with another company. Company can form a partnership with another person. It's possible. Individuals are always greater than 18 years. Already capacity is required. No, minor cannot form a partnership. Minor cannot form a partnership, sir. Okay, so more than 18 years people, major people together, they can form a partnership. Okay, so company, sir, one company can form a partnership. Clear, sir? Like that, this is the person, sir. Person includes and person excludes. My question, sir, listen. So TCS company, Ram, Lakshman. So these three together, they can form a partnership or not? That is my question. TCS company, Ram and Lakshman, together they can form a partnership or not? Say yes or no, sir. TCS company, Ram, Lakshman, they three These three together they can form a partnership or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Major only, minor I thought, and then I will mention is a minor. If not mentioned, that you assume that those people are majors. They can form a partnership or not? Sir, two or more, as three people are there. Person or not? Yes, sir, person only. Company is a person, individuals are also person. Both, nothing is mentioned, means both are majors, then they can form. Unanimous approval, wait for some time. Kind of what I am explaining in this, you have a doubt or not? You can ask like that. Unanimous approval, I'm not up to that extent, we are not at discussion, no. అదేనా చెప్పింది వినండి అంతే. చాలా మంది ఏంటంటే ఆల్రెడీ వినిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, మైనర్ అగ్రి అవుతారు, తెలుసు, అందరికి తెలుసు అది, ఓకేనా. కొత్త వాళ్ళు కూడా వినిన తర్వాత ఆల్రెడీ దే నో అబౌట్ దట్. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ హియర్, these three people are eligible, they can form a partnership or not? You can say yes or no related to that answer. Okay, Jani Kumar, you have any doubt, then you can send a message to me and I will answer to you. Okay, clear, sir? Person includes and person excludes. So this is all about the second line explanation. Sir, partnership is a relation between two or more persons. Two means minimum, more means maximum, not unlimited, maximum 50. The maximum concept is not under Partnership Act as per Companies Act. More than 50, no partnership can be continued. If continued, that is illegal association as per section 464 of the Companies Act. Person, sir, person means what? Person includes and excludes. Person includes and excludes. Clear, sir? Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, ABC is a partnership firm. ABC partnership firm. And one of the person Ravi, another person Raj. So these three together, they can form a partnership firm, partnership or not? ABC partnership firm, Ravi and Raj, these three together, they can form a partnership or not? Yes or no, sir? Sir, two or more people are there, but what, sir? He is not a person. There's only two persons. So two persons, no, sir. At the time of formation, every person can be required. Every person is be a person. Sir, Raj means another, sir. A is a minor, B is a major, C is a major, D is a major. These four together, they can form a partnership or not? A is a minor, B, C, D are majors. These four together, they can form a partnership or not? So most of the people say two or more persons. Sir, two or more is there, but persons are, sir. Persons are no. He is not a person. How they can form a partnership? So three is there, no. Two or more, no. So two or more. But what is next? Person is required. Clear, sir? That is nothing but the second line explanation. No down, sir. No down. Clear, second line? కొంచెమైనా అర్థమైందా? जल्दी लिखो. Why not, sir? Wife and husband partners, they can persons, no, they can form a partnership. Completed. Second line is clear for all. Yeah. HUF cannot form a partnership, but members in HUF, no, Karta like that, those people can form a partnership. Yeah. HUF is not a partner. The persons in HUF, no, those are individuals, they can form a partnership. Rough Andy, everyone is clear? Yes, yes. Okay, sir. Yeah. So partnership is a relation, yes, between two or more persons. Two or more persons का मतलब क्या है? So these persons together is called as partners. So these persons together, it is called as partners. Obviously, no. Person in the sense, the persons का name क्या है sir? In the partnership firm में, the persons together, it is called as partners. Collectively, it is also called as partnership firm. Collectively, it is also called as partnership firm. Okay, sir. Generally, those person, yes, persons are called as partners. Collectively, that is called as partnership firm. So every partnership firm required a name, requires a name. Every partnership firm required a name or not. Partnership deed may be clearly mentioned. Name of the firm. So every partnership firm require a name. Whenever you are choosing the name is not similar to the existing, not similar to existing firm name, existing firm or existing LLP name. Okay, so while you are choosing the name is not prohibited. Not prohibited the words mentioned under Emblems and Names Act. Emblems and Names Act. Okay, sir. Sir, Emblems and Names Act में some words are prohibited. Some words are prohibited. What are the words are prohibited? Some words you cannot use these names whenever you are choosing any name of the company, partnership, LLP, whatever it may be. Whatever the names, sir, either king, queen, royal, imperial. Okay, sir, king, queen, royal, imperial, and etc. etc. Some words are prohibited under Emblems and Names Act. We cannot use those words whenever you are choosing the name of the company or name of the partnership or name of the LLP also. Clear, sir? Clear? Clear, sir? So that is nothing but simple, sir. Emblems and Names Act 1950. Some words are prohibited. We cannot use such words. Whenever you are choosing the name of the partnership, by following these conditions, we can choose the name. The name is called as partnership firm. Firm name, that is the people are in the part, that is called as partners. Like that, every persons are called as partners. Collectively, those are called as partnership firm. Every partnership firm required a name. Whenever the name is choosing, the name is not similar. The name is not the words prohibited under Emblems and Names Act 1950. By following these conditions, you can choose the name of the partnership. Okay, so it is nothing but person's explanation. No dance. Second line only, extinction explanation. No done. If you done the definition, 60 to 70% of the act is completed. Completed, Rafchecha? Tell me, sir. Rafchecha. Completed. Okay. Any doubt? Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so next. Partnership is a relation. What does LLP means, sir? Limited liability partnership. Okay, sir. Partnership, limited liability partnership. That is the next concept we will discuss. First of all, just you can remember that word. Okay, sir. आगे sections, आगे lessons में, then you will clearly know about what is LLP also. So listen, partnership is a relation between two or more persons. What is the relation? What is the two or more? What is meant by persons, partners, collectively, firm? Every firm is having firm name like that. We are discussed about the partners concept. So coming to the third line in the definition, partnership is a relation between the two or more persons agree to share share profits of the business. So agree to share profits of the businesses, sir. So first of all, what is business? So business का meaning क्या है? Yes, sir, we can do the business. So business का meaning क्या है? What is meant by business? So business means any lawful, any lawful, any lawful trade, any lawful profession, any lawful occupation. So business means any lawful trade, कोई भी trade activity, purchase, sale, anything. Any lawful profession, chartered accountant, cost account, they can do the practice, doctor, lawyer, the practice of profession. Any lawful occupation, if you are a director, managing director, CEO, CFO, like that, if you are be the business means any lawful trade, any lawful profession, any lawful occupation. And also, sir, here business is having going concern in nature. The going concern means continuous existence, continuous an activity. It is not for a one activity. Sir, you and me together, we can purchase a car and we can sell the car. This is partnership. Two or more persons together, they can sell the trade, business. That is a partnership. No, sir. Business in the sense, not a single transaction. It is a series of transactions. It is called as a going concern in nature. Yes, business is any lawful trade, any lawful profession, or any lawful occupation, not for a single day, not for a single transaction, not for a single activity. It is a going concern in nature. That is called as business. So whenever you can go through the business, we can done with the business. So in the business scenarios, what is the result of the business? Tell me, sir. Whenever you are doing the business, what is the result of the business? What is the result of the business? So whenever you can done the business may either profit or loss. Anything is happen. We cannot say always you earn the profit. We cannot say always you incur losses. If you can't say like that, business in the sense the result of the business either may be a profit or loss, but definition clearly says that agree to share profits. So business may always you earn the profit, sir. What about losses? Okay, so your intention is profit motive, but the result either may be a profit or loss. It does not determine it. Uncertain. So agree to share profits. इधर loss हुआ तो who can share it? अरे आप definition में clearly mention हुआ. What is that? Agree to share profits only. Agree to share profits only. Sir, whenever you can do the business, if there is a loss, if there may be a loss, then who will bear the loss? That is biggest problem, no? Partners only, but definition mein nahi hua, sir. Definition they are not mentioned, no. I agree to share profits and losses. If they mention like that, then they can share the loss. If they cannot mention like that, then who will bear the loss? Sir, here agree to share profits. Most of the people are thinking that agree to share profits means agree to share losses also. That is wrong. That is wrong. That is a blatant wrong. What is that? Agree to share profits. Agree to share profits does not include, agree to share profits does not include agree to share losses. So agree to share profits does not include agree to share losses, but agree to share loss does not include, okay, then who will share losses? Sir, you said that, sir, partnership act said that agree to share profits does not include agree to share losses. Sir, agar nahi hua to, if not like that, if the loss arises, kaun bear karega? Then which person can bear that particular loss? That is the biggest question here. Then law clearly clarifies that. Listen carefully. So agree to share profits does not include agree to share losses. Okay, so the losses should be borne. Borne by the partners. Partners as per agreement. As per agreement, what they are mentioned in the agreement, partnership deed may, what they are mentioned, like that they can bear the loss. If there is no agreement, losses should be borne. Should be borne on equal basis. But one exception is there. There is nothing but partner in profits. Partner in profits only. Okay, so generally what, sir, agree to share profits. We cannot think agree to share profits means agree to share losses. That is wrong. That is wrong. Agree to share profits does not include agree to share losses. Then how they can share the losses? Partnership deed may clearly mention. As per that agreement, sir, nothing is mentioned, sir. Then equal basis they can share the losses, but except partner in profits only. There is one type of partner is that then next we will discuss about types of partners. Out of that one type of partner, partner in profits is only for profit, not for losses. For such a partner, he cannot incur loss. For remaining partner, if there is no agreement on equal basis, they can bond the loss. Clear, sir? This is a concept related to agree to share profits of the business. Okay, so note down. Note down, sir. जल्दी लिखो. Completed? Avchecha? Okay, sir. Avchecha? Tell me, sir. Avchecha. Sir, once again explain about business. Now, what is your doubt? Business means any lawful, कोई भी lawful trade, कोई भी lawful profession or occupation. And also, it's a not a single activity, no, it's a going concern. It's a series of transactions. Everyone is clear, and partnership is a relation between two or more persons agree to share profits of the business. Clear? Sir, agree to share profits. So if there is a sharing of profits, if there is a sharing of what is that? What is the term? How partner in profits is an exception. Our name itself says no. Name clearly mentioned partner is always for profits. How he incurred loss? Our name itself shows that partner in profits only is only for profits, not for losses. Clearly mentioned. Then how he can born or he can bear the losses? That is the reason why he is an exception. Okay, Selva. So share in profits of business. So in case we are doing partnership business, if there are any profits earned, that profit share among the partners. The sharing of profits, then that person is called as partner. If there is no share in profits, that person cannot be treated as a partner. Sir, what is the benefit we are contributing the capital in the partnership? Profit only. That is a return to you only. So that is the reason why, sir, if there is a share in profits, so there is a share in profits, then only such person, termed as partner. Okay, so there is a share in profit, then only such person is termed as a partner. No share in profit, no share in profit, not a partner, not a partner, and not a partnership. Not a partner and not a partnership. Clear, sir? Sir, here what's a no share in profit, not a partner? Then no share in profit, that is not a partnership. Why? Because a partnership का ultimate return क्या है? What is a consideration benefit we are doing the business? अरे business లో మనకు ultimate benefit ఏంటి? Profit only. So I am not required profit. What is the use for doing business here? Why you are doing the business without receiving, without earning profit? That is the reason why law clearly says that there is a share in profits, then only such a person is treated as a partner. If there is no share in profit, then the person is not termed as a partner. The relation is not treated as a partnership. That is the reason why partnership is in case of partnership, sharing of profits is a prima facie initial evidence. Then share in profits is a prima facie evidence. Is a prima facie. It's a prima facie evidence. The prima facie means it's an initial, sir. I'm not sure. Prima facie means I'm not sure. But partnership is a basic means stage. Are a share in profits? There may be a partnership, not must. That is the reason why share in profits is a prima facie evidence. Why it is not may, why it is not must, then we will discuss. Okay, so there is an initial concept, sir. Are you are doing business? What is the benefit profit? If there is no share in profits to you, then what is the use you are doing business? That is the reason why law clearly states that if there is a share in profits, then only that is treated as a partnership. Then only such person is termed as a partner. If there is no share in profit, that person cannot be a partner. That relation is not termed as a partnership. But there is a share in profits. Okay, so there is share in profits. It is compulsory partnership. May or may not. What is this? I said there is a share in profits. Then there is a compulsory be a partnership. Compulsory be a partners. Okay, so simple example, sir. Sir, A and B, together they can purchase a car. Together they can purchase a car for 5 lakhs rupees. Second hand car. So repaired that second hand car repairs cost is 1 lakh rupees. Then what happens? 6 lakhs rupees car they can sell to C at 7 lakh rupees. They earn 1 lakh rupees profit. No, that 1 lakh rupees profit share among themselves. Then AB are the partners. Then the relation between the AB is a partnership. Tell me, sir. AB are the partners. Then the relation between the AB is a partnership. The share in profits is there. Then this is a partnership, sir. So already we have studied partnership is a business. A business is continuous, a series of transactions, not a single transaction. How it is termed as a partnership? It is not a partnership. Are one single transaction we can be treated as a partnership. Are sir, business is there, sharing profits is there. Even though sharing profits is there, this is not a partnership. This is not a partner. This is called as joint ownership. Joint owners. Are they are repeatedly doing like this series of number of transactions like that? They can purchase second hand car and renovate it, they can sell, they can earn profit share among. So like that they are doing number of transactions, then that is a partnership. But a single transaction, yes sir. Sharing profits is there, yes sir. Sir, sharing profits, then that is a partner. No. Partnership no. But sharing profits is there. That is the reason why sharing of profits, it may or may not be a partnership. That may or may not is evident. That is called as prima facie evidence. I can ask some more examples also, sir. I can add some more examples. Who will share loss? Who will share loss? People, owners can share loss. Partners also can share the loss. Okay, note down this concept also. Then share of loss is, sir. A loss వస్తే వాళ్ళే షేర్ చేసుకుంటారు. లాస్ వస్తే వాళ్ళే షేర్ చేస్తారు. Note down, sir. Note down that particular explanation also. Clear? So then you can write this. After that, you can read today's notes. You are having any doubts today's session, then you can ask me. I will explain again. The definition is not yet completed. This is the third line only. Another line is there in the definition. Everyone is able to follow the log class or not? Everything is clear, or you're facing any difficulties, or you're facing any problems? Already I told to you, sir. Some people are joined without proper authentication, means already they are giving directions to you, name, campus name, like that you joined. But some few people, you are not entered with properly. I cannot explain anything. Chitti Reddy, Madhu Burma, Nadella Lokesh, Sachin Narayana. 4 people are entered without any information. Okay. Now you should remember all the contents of partnership. Yes. Prima facie means questionable evidence. May or may not be a partnership. Why? Because sharing of profits is a partnership. You said like that, it's not possible. Here they can share a profits, it's a partnership or no. Partnership, since so many characters you should follow, not only a sharing of profits. That is the reason why sharing of his profit is a one type of evidence. That's the prima facie evidence. So everyone is able to follow the last sessions. లా క్లాస్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా? ఈజీగా ఉందా, టఫ్ గా ఉందా, అర్థం అవుతుందా కొంచెమైనా? బై మిస్టేక్ పొరపాటున ఏమైనా అర్థం అవుతుందా? I already told to you so many people, sir. If you are required some more information, or if you are required anything more, then please pin a message in Insta also. I'm giving my ID to so many people. If you are reading or if you are facing any problem, then you can send, I can pin in my Insta, then I will respond to you. Some few new people don't know about my mistake. I'm understanding everything. Very good. No Insta, then how can I do? Then just you can ask in class, that is sufficient. ID the people, my ID is URS, yours truly MNR. Yours truly MNR. So today's session, you are having any doubts, then ask me, sir. Then I will explain. Hero session, sir, in every act, sir, definition is a core part. You should understood the definition very clear, in depth. The entire act is very, very easy. Every act gist and every act heart is a definition. That is the reason why definitions are very important. No, no, no. No, just you can pin in Insta. No? Tell me, sir, any doubts today's session, then you can ask me. Sir. Are you able to follow the partnership act or not? Could you please explain person excluding partnership firm? The person excluding partnership firm, one is Hindu undivided family, HUF and up. Another one is partnership firm. Sir, partners are individuals. Firm is not a person. Partners are persons. That is the reason why they form a partnership. Are you and your friend form X partnership? My and my friend form Y partnership. Okay, sir. Now X partnership firm, Y partnership firm, together they can form a Z partnership. It's not possible. Why? Because firm is not a person, firm cannot form a partnership. Are in X partnership, I am a member, I am an individual. In Y partnership, you are a member, you are an individual. You and me together form a partnership? Yes, possible. Why? Because we are individuals. Partnership firm is not a person. Partnership firm cannot form a partnership. Partner in the partnership firm is an individual. They can form a partnership. And Hindu undivided family we have studied. Family businesses. Partners can share losses. Already we have studied, no? As per agreement, they can share the losses. Hindu undivided family is not a person. One Hindu undivided family, other Hindu undivided family cannot form a partnership. But Hindu undivided family members are there. Karta is there. Co-parsons are there. Here co-parsons, their co-parsons together they can form a partnership. Why? Because those are individuals. Okay, sir. Someone asking another question. What is that? Could you explain what is meant by not similar to existing firm name? Sir, already my partnership firm name, sir, Ram partnership firm. Today you are also start with the Ram. It's not possible. My firm name and your firm name is not same. If they are same, it's not possible to choose the name like that. Any other queries today's session? అర్థమవుతుందా అండి ఇలా ఈజీ ఉందా టఫ్ ఉందా if you felt that law is easy or simple, somewhat easy and somewhat simple, sir, somewhat difficult. Once prima facie evidence, simple. Prima facie means we cannot conclude that is a part, exactly cannot conclude it. Such type of evidences are called as prima facie evidences. Okay, sir. And suppose we are inquiring a case, sir. We are inquiring a case. Whenever you are inquiring a case, we cannot conclude he is a witness, means he is a person, the committed fraud, he committed, like that we cannot conclude. That is called as a first starting you are getting some evidences. తెలుగులో దాన్ని ప్రాథమిక ఆధారాలు అంటారు. We cannot we cannot conclude that he is a person. No, sir. It's a prima facie evidence. Okay, sir. Conclusive evidences are different. We directly say that he is that thefted one, he is the culprit. Like those are called as conclusive evidence. In case of partnership also, sharing of profits means is a partnership. We cannot conclude it. So many situations there is a share in profits, that is not a partner, those are not a partnership. We will discuss what are those situations. Okay, so next class we will discuss those situations. Some examples I can ask, you need to answer to that particular examples. Okay, any other? Sir, agree to share profits does not include agriculture, but if the firm ends up with losses, who has to agree to share profits? And that is the reason why agreement may clearly mention, no, who can share the losses. Agreement lo mention చేస్తారు, ఏమీ మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే దాన్ని ఈక్వల్ గా బేర్ చేస్తారు. Yeah, individual and company can form a partnership, no. Individual is a person, company is a person. Why not they cannot form a partnership? They can, obviously they can form a partnership. Law is understandable subject and boring too. Oh, boring. Sure. Law is boring. Even though I am teaching like that also, you have felt that that is boring. Oh, it's hard to digest such statement. Some people are like that. I saw you in YouTube in CMS Perception. Quite different compared to. Quite different means, what is that? It's very interesting. Individual firm cannot form a partnership. Why? Because the firm is not a person, no. That is it. Any other CMS YouTube channel you saw me? Sir, if one partner is not sharing profit, other partners sharing profit. Sir, simple. One partner say that I am not sharing profit, that person partner nahi bolta. Why? Because partner in the sense he should share profit. Without sharing profits, no one is not done. Why you are joining the partnership? Yeah, the people required my name. My name is Narasimha Modagula. I'm a qualified company secretary. In the past 7 years onwards, I am in teaching field. Okay, simple introduction. Wherever in social media, I'm much active in social media. Wherever there is ER studio, what is company secretary? Is a one course. Going concern means not for a single transaction. It is continued for future also. Going concern in nature. CS is a one type of professional course like CA, CMA. Okay, this is also same like that. Any other queries today's session? ఇంకేమైనా queries ఉన్నాయా? So tomorrow we will complete the definition. Definition complete అయితే hardly we will complete 60% of that. Remaining 40% very very easy. Any other doubts? ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా అండి? అర్థమైతేనే కదా డౌట్స్ అంటారా? అది కూడా కరెక్టే. ఎస్, అర్థమైతే డౌట్స్ వస్తాయి, అర్థం కాకపోతే ఏమొస్తుంది? So you have you have you done with your vaccine? Why not yet? Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.